Welcome to Capacitec. Capacitec is an ISO 9001-2015 certified designer and manufacturer of non-contact capacitive displacement sensors, gap sensor wands, and parallelism measurement instruments. We specialize in difficult applications using custom sensors matched to standard amplifiers, integrated with embedded software applications for OEMs. Our sensors operate in extreme environments from -270 to over 1,000 degrees Celsius in high vacuum and pressure, in magnetic fields up to 5 Tesla, and in ultra-high radiation. We offer the Captura series of modular, compact amplifier cards and electronic racks with smart card options. A small capacitive sensor size combined with large displacement and gap measurement range, along with long cable lengths, enables solutions that aren't possible with traditional systems. Gapman Gen 3 is a portable digital feeler gauge, offering a high-precision, non-contact gap sensing tool with a dramatic improvement over traditional feeler gauges by eliminating operator subjectivity. It allows fast insertion into gaps down to 200 micrometers and includes an integrated 10,000-point data logger. Gapman Gen 3 is used in aircraft wing and fuselage assemblies made of CFRP composite structures. Spring contact Gapman wands, available in straight 30 or 90-degree bends, deliver precision digital gap measurements down to 330 micrometers with insertion lengths up to 450 millimeters, even when one or both target surfaces are non-conductive. Our systems are also used for power generator gaps on rotor and stator components across steam, gas, hydro, and eVTOL applications. Hot slot die coating, plastic extrusion, and roller gap alignment are also key use cases. Our custom capacitive multipoint systems measure flatness and parallelism using 3 to 32 sensors, enabling surface measurements below 100 microns. Using a multiplex non-contact sensor array combined with our bar graphic 16-point software, we deliver full surface profiles at up to half the cost of traditional solutions. Our solutions are used across many industries, including aerospace, automotive, slot die coating and printing, and extreme environments. This includes high temperature, cryogenic, power generation, and semiconductor applications. Our application library includes amplifiers, Gapman portable gap sensors, slot die coater gap sensors, and disc brake wear analysis systems. To learn more about our products, contact us today. Call us, email sales@capacitec.com, or visit www.capacitec.com.